Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is all about InstaMojo tutorials. So if you want to know what is InstaMojo and how you can register your digital products in InstaMojo and make money online, then this video is perfect for you. Also, I'm giving my ebook absolutely for free, that is 100 blogging niche ideas. So if you want to get that ebook, make sure you watch this video from start to the end, as I will be sharing the details within the video. So without wasting any time, let's start this video. So hi guys, my name is Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. And first we have to do login. Okay, so we'll sign up with Google. We will use the same Gmail ID which used earlier for the InstaMojo account creation. Okay, when you will sign up, you will come to your dashboard. Okay, so last time when we have created this account, so we have not completed our our payment. Okay, payment part. So you can see that payment collection is not enabled on your account. So please set up payments to enable the buying option. So we will click on set up payments. So it is taking a little bit of time. Okay, so what you have to give, you have to give your PAN card over here, your name mentioned on the PAN card, your address, date, pin code, GST, and what do you sell. So you have to tell, are you selling the services or the products, and you can click on other as well. So I will fill this detail, and then we have to click on next for the bank details. Yes, yeah, you can put it over here. If you don't have, leave it blank. Then I am selling products, then you have to click on next. So it will show you this page. Here you have to give the details of your bank account number. You have to confirm your bank account number, and you have to give your name, and you have to give your bank IFSC code, and then you have to click on accept terms, and here we go. So it's saying congratulations, you are ready to collect payment. Limit, you can submit your KYC documents over here and the limit will increase. Okay, and there's an option of ask InstaMojo fee to customer, and that is by default click on. So what is that? I will explain you that. Okay, that is a good thing that need explanation. Okay, so I will show you. So basically, what is InstaMojo? InstaMojo is a Bangalore-based company that is targeted to selling digital goods and collecting payment online. So it is providing you a platform by which you can sell your digital products and you can collect payments online. And what does InstaMojo cost? Okay, so whenever for every transaction there is a nominal fee that is charged to you. Okay, so that is whenever somebody is purchasing anything from InstaMojo, so you will be charged 2% of the amount plus 3% per transaction cost excluding GST. Okay, so I have given one example. If a customer pays you 1000 rupees, then InstaMojo will deduct 2% of 1000 plus 3 rupees per transaction, that is for one transaction. So that becomes 23 rupees, and then GST is 18% of 23, that is 4.14. So amount that will be received by you if a customer pays 1000, that is 972.86 rupees. Okay, so although your customer is paying 1000 rupees, you won't be receiving the full 1000 rupees, you will be receiving 972 rupees. So if you want to receive the full 1000 rupees and you want to pass these two fees to your customer, then you can click on this check mark option, and that fee will be paid by the customer. You don't have to pay that fee. Okay, and these are the things. Okay, you can change the you can change the settings later also. So these are the payment option: credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, Beam, wallet, all the options which are required for the payment that are provided by the InstaMojo. That is a very good thing. Okay, then you have to go to your dashboard. So this is our default payment link. In the video that I created earlier, I have shown you how you can customize that link also. Then we will go to our dashboard and we will see what kind of dashboard we have over the InstaMojo. We will take a little bit of review for that. So our right now our account limit, you can see that is 10,000. If you want to click on submit KYC, okay, just upload your documents and remove the limit for free. Okay, so what you have to do for that, you have to upload your PAN card and you have to upload your bank statement. Okay, so and they may ask you additional document in certain cases if required. Okay, so you have to click on next and then you have to upload these documents. Okay, so click I will cross that right now, and you can see what is the total amount that you have got, what are the total transactions. Okay, and now we will check other options over here, that is product and store. You go on product and store, and this was the product we register earlier. Okay, so we click on that and we can go on edit product. So you can see that we have, in the last video we have created digital product and uploaded it over here, and that was an ebook of Make Money Online by Digital Weapon, and that's cost is around 50 rupees. Okay, so I will show you again that how you can do that. So we will upload a new product in this video. So let's come to our dashboard. Okay, then we click on product and store, and then we can go on manage online. Okay, and then you have to click on add products. Okay, so you have to go to digital products. Okay, I will make it a little bit quick because I have already explained that part in my other video. So you have to select the file that you want to upload. So this upload our ebook over here, and then upload is done. Okay, then you have to click on product title 100 niche ideas, and then you can leave this blank. You can put the fee as 50 rupees and use pay what you want. That is the minimum amount that need to be paid for this product is 50 rupees. If the customer want to pay more, then he can also pay more. Okay, and here you have to provide the description. Okay. So product description is done. Okay, then you have to select the category. So our category is education, event, shop, seminar. Let's see, courses and education. Product tag, we don't want. Add an image, you can upload an image over here. So what we will do, and if you want anybody to resell this product, you can click on this option, and then there's advanced settings. Here you have to, if you want a custom URL where the customer will be directed after successful payment, then you can put it over here. And what is the note that you want to give to the customer when he buys your product? So thanks for buying the product, thanks for buying the product. Okay, then total available quantity, if you want, you can put number of quantities that are available. Like if you put it as 1000, then after 1000 nobody will be available, nobody can download your product. Okay, then webhook URL, leave it blank. Then SEO option, if you want, you can do this, all these things, and then we have to click on add product to store. Okay, and here we go. Okay, so we have created our product. Okay, and then if you want to share the link with others for purchasing this product, what you have to do, click on that, then click on customize, and then here you can give DG, whatever you want, you can put it over here as a URL, digital Weapon 1. Okay, and then I will change. Okay, and you can share this link on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, SMS, wherever you want. Okay, so if somebody clicks on that link, come to this website, purchase that ebook, then that amount will be credited to your account, and that will be available after 3-4 working days. You will get that amount in your bank account. So this is a way of making money with the InstaMojo account. So I hope you have got the clarity of what is InstaMojo, how much InstaMojo charges how you can remove that charge and put it on the customers, and third thing, how you can create the product. Okay, then we will see a little bit more option. Let's click on the dashboard. Okay, and so this is your basically your dashboard. So it is showing the amount, transaction, then here's payment links. So this is your payment link over here, so you can check this. And then product and store, I already shown that to you. And then more option like bank transfer, payments here you can. So this is showing all the stats regarding that. I have already shown that to you, convenience fee. If you don't want to pay, we have click on that, enable this feature. Okay, so what will happen if you enable this feature? Then that payment fees your customer will have to pay. You don't have to pay for that. Okay, so these are all the options idea regarding the InstaMojo. Okay, so here by clicking over here you can check whatever the options have: online store settings, members, and faster payout, earn and invite, GST invoice, give feedback. So you can check all these detail by yourself. This is not something that I need to tell. Okay, basically I want to tell that whenever you are creating the ebook, make sure it is of high value and you provide a lot of value in that ebook, so that people refer other people to go to your link and download that ebook. Okay, and also what you can do, you can create a landing page and you can promote your ebook by Facebook ad, by Instagram ad, or whatever you want, by email marketing. Okay, so people will click on that link and come to InstaMojo and buy your product. So you can get a lot of money. Okay, my ebook absolutely for free. So what you have to do for that, you just have to like this video, you have to subscribe to my channel, and then you have to comment with I want the ebook, and then you have to go to our Facebook page and then message us I want the ebook. Okay, then we will give you the ebook in the messenger section. Okay, so make sure you follow this step, and if you like this video, just share it with others. And if you face any kind of difficulty, just do comment, we will try to help you on that. Okay, so this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.